In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to install Windows 11 on VirtualBox in 2026. This guide is perfect if you want to test Windows 11 safely, use Windows 11 without affecting your main system, learn virtualization for education or practice, run Windows 11 on a non-compatible PC. No advanced technical skills are required. Just follow each step carefully. Part 1. What you need before starting. Before installing Windows 11 on VirtualBox, make sure you have the following. 1. VirtualBox, latest version 2026. Download and install the latest version of Oracle VirtualBox. Also install the VirtualBox extension pack. Make sure both versions match. 2. Windows 11 ISO file. Download the official Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft. Choose the correct language and edition. 3. System requirements. Your computer should have at least 8 GB of RAM for gigabytes minimum, a 64-bit CPU, virtualization enabled in BIOS, Intel VEX or AMD, enough free disk space, minimum 50 GB recommended. Part 2. Enable virtualization in BIOS. If VirtualBox does not allow 64-bit systems, restart your computer. Enter BIOS or UEFI. Enable Intel Virtualization Technology or AMD SVM. Save and exit. Without this step, Windows 11 will not install correctly. Part 3. Creating a new virtual machine. Open VirtualBox. Click New. Name the virtual machine Windows 11. Type Microsoft Windows. Version Windows 11 64-bit. Part 4. Memory and CPU settings. RAM allocation. Minimum 4,096 megabytes. Recommended 8,192 megabytes. CPU allocation. Minimum 2 cores. Recommended 4 cores. More resources mean better performance. Part 5. Virtual hard disk setup. Choose Create a virtual hard disk now. Disk type VDI. Storage dynamically allocated. Size minimum 64 gigabytes. Recommended 80 to 100 gigabytes. Part 6. Important Windows 11 compatibility settings. Windows 11 requires TPM and Secure Boot. VirtualBox supports this using UEFI. Enable EFI. Open Settings. Go to System. Motherboard tab. Enable. Heavy checkmark Enable EFI. Special OSes only. Part 7. Bypassing Windows 11 requirements, if needed. If your system does not meet requirements. During Windows setup, press Shift plus F10. Type regedit. Navigate to HKY_localhost_machine/system/setup. Create a new key called labconfig. Create these DWOR values and set them to 1. Bypass TPM check. Bypass Secure Boot check. Bypass RAM check. Close Registry Editor and continue installation. Part 8. Mount Windows 11 ISO. Open VM settings. Go to Storage. Under Controller IDE, click Empty. Choose your Windows 11 ISO. Click OK. Part 9. Start Windows 11 installation. Start the virtual machine. Windows setup will begin. Choose Language, Time, and Keyboard. Click Install now. Select Custom Installation. Choose the virtual disk. Click Next. Hourglass Not Done installation will take several minutes. Part 10. First boot and initial setup. After installation, select Region and Keyboard. Connect to Network, optional. Sign in with Microsoft account or offline account. Create a username and password. Windows 11 will finalize setup automatically. Part 11. Install VirtualBox Guest Additions. This step is very important for performance. In the VM menu, Devices, insert Guest Additions CD image. Open the installer inside Windows. Install all components. Restart the virtual machine. Benefits of Guest Additions: full screen resolution, better graphics, mouse integration, improved performance. Final result: you now have a fully working Windows 11 virtual machine running inside VirtualBox. You can test software safely, experiment without risk, learn Windows administration, use Windows 11 even on unsupported hardware. Conclusion: installing Windows 11 on VirtualBox is one of the safest and best ways to explore the operating system without affecting your real computer. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more tutorials. Share it with others. Thank you for watching.